Oh, hey, come on in. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we are making a fan favorite and a KDA favorite. I'm referring to myself in third person here because I feel like, it sounds really weird, I am known on Snapchat and some social media platforms for my egg salad. You guys just freaking love my egg salad. It's my #1 recipe on my site and my app, which is like so basic, but at the same time, it is something that I always come back to. It's easy, it's great for a snack, it's great for breakfast, it's great to meal prep, but today, we are making egg salad crostinis. So what we have here is a baguette. I sliced it on up. I'm gonna make this egg salad. I'm doing one thing differently than my normal egg salad, so stay tuned for that. And let's get right to it. Now, first starting with the eggs, I just hard boiled them, and immediately after taking them off of the pot, I put them in ice water. After I take them out of the ice water, if you wanna come on over here, what I love to do, this is how I found the easiest way to crack an egg is I just kind of crack it everywhere. Doesn't matter, doesn't need to be pretty. And as I unveil the shell, I just place it under the sink water. The shell just comes off so easy. Do not put your shells down the sink though. I learned that the hard way. My husband thinks otherwise, but I do not put my shells down the sink. I feel like I've said this in a past episode before, but my uncle is a builder and he has seen way too many sinks destroyed with eggshells. Comes off so much easier and seamless, and I just dunk it right back in. All right, got my eggs here. They are perfect. I cook them for exactly 11 minutes. Let's get to work, but before I make the egg salad, I'm gonna pop these crostinis in the oven to make sure they're all toasted. I'm just slicing a little bit of a baguette right here. You guys, I am freaking obsessed with my little, it looks like an easy bake oven. It's like the Our Place bake oven, and it like can toast, it can bake, it can air fry, it can do all the things. And I love just throwing all of my toast right here. Look at that, last one, and I'm just gonna toast all these on up. BRB. Brush the breadcrumbs off. I'm just gonna use the exact same cutting board. Taking my hard boiled eggs over here. I know that there is a more efficient way to make egg salad, but this is how I make my egg salad always. I separate the yolk and the white, and I place the yolk in a separate bowl. And you see how the hard-boiled egg is literally perfectly cooked. It's still like kind of soft and tender on the inside of the yolk. There's no gray outside of that yolk. That's exactly how we want it. Oh, that's perfect. Look at that egg. Look at this $4 egg right here. That's how much they freaking cost each in LA, basically. I like to call this like the sauce of the egg salad. I'm just gonna mix it right there in the bowl. Have you ever had like tableside Caesar salad? I don't know why this like reminds me of it, but I'm just gonna take a little bit of mayo, tiny bit of relish. You just need a little relish. It goes a long way, but it's so freaking delicious in this. And then I just use classic French's mustard. I know there's fancier mustard, but French's does the trick. Then of course, salt and pepper. I like a lot of salt. You know me, I like a lot of salt. Also love a lot of pepper in this as well. Then a tiny bit, the tiniest bit of garlic powder. It goes a long way and it really does change the taste. Now let's mix that on up. Till the yolk is pretty smooth. It's all right if there's little chunks in there. And then I'm gonna toss in a little bit of green onion. Gorgeous. Looking so good. Oh, and I did say I'm doing something different. I am not putting celery in my egg salad crostinis because I feel like we have enough crunch with the toast, right? Now, I'm just coming in and dicing up the egg whites. Doesn't need to be pretty. Any shapes and sizes. My egg salad is inclusive. Only takes like 30 seconds to chop. Then I'm gonna come on in here and toss my egg white chunks in my sauce. All right, let's mix. Wow, just so perfect. Oh my gosh. All right, and that is truly it for the egg salad. So freaking easy. Also just so delicious to meal prep, you guys. I'm gonna go grab the crostinis out of the toaster oven. BRB. Look at these gorgeous toasted little crostinis. I mean, literally perfect. I am just gonna place these crostinis on a nice platter, and I got this platter as a wedding gift, and it came with no note. So if you're watching this and you got me this gorgeous platter, please text me. I love you so much. Thank you. I want to know who gave it to me. And it's as simple as that. I'm just gonna do a tiny bit of egg salad on each little crostini. Perfection. Now, last but not least, I'm just gonna top with a tiny bit more of those extra green onions, just for some greenery. And then also, I have a tiny bit of parsley. I'm just gonna place a leaf on each crostini. Just adds a nice touch for serving. And parsley is so freaking good for you. Last but not least, tiny bit of pepper to top it off. Look how gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow, you guys. Looks so good, my mouth is watering. All right, y'all, this is the perfect thing if you are hosting a brunch, maybe it's for Easter or anything for a great spring get together. Highly recommend this. Everyone will love it. Such a crowd pleaser. So cheers. I hope you guys love it. Egg salad never gets old for me. See you next week.